Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit Danish. First, begin with a well-prepared Danish pastry dough. This dough is known for its rich, buttery layers, which are essential for a flaky texture. Make sure your dough is thoroughly chilled. This step is crucial for easy handling and achieving those beautiful layers. You'll want to roll it out evenly to about 1/4 of an inch thick, creating a nice, consistent base for your pastries. Next, let's prepare our delicious fruit filling. Select fresh, ripe fruits such as sweet berries, sliced apples, or juicy stone fruits for the best flavor. In a saucepan, combine your chosen fruit with a few tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of cornstarch to help it thicken, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Cook this mixture gently over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until it just begins to thicken, about 5 to 7 minutes. Now comes the fun part, assembling your danishes. Take your rolled-out dough and cut it into uniform squares or rectangles, each about 4 inches by 4 inches. Place a generous spoonful of your prepared fruit filling right in the center of each dough piece. Then, carefully fold and shape the dough around the filling. You can create various designs, like a simple square fold or a pinwheel, ensuring the filling is nicely enclosed. Finally, it's time to bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your assembled danishes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed up. Once cooled slightly, drizzle them with a simple glaze made from powdered sugar and a touch of milk for that perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.